The film is set in a provincial town in northern India. At a time following the nation's independence in 1947, when India was yet to be completely integrated as a political entity and when Nehruvian socialism was about to take on the existing feudal hierarchy. Taran, Aditi, is the daughter of a wealthy landlord, Anil Pandya, and lives with her father and her widowed aunt, Kanta Vyas, in their ancestral mansion, which goes on to represent the whole of upper class in the film. The town is witnessing protests by newly formed labor unions which are partly being politically educated by the local railroad engineer, Iqbal Nath Kaul, who seems to have an unspoken romantic relationship with Taran, Taran's unseen brother, who had, to the chagrin of their father, renounced his class privileges and gone off to an Assamese tea estate. Asks Taran to join him. Stuck in a stifling patriarchal order, with pressure to marry an upper-class groom mounting, Taran decides to talk to her father about her plans.